Chief of Defence Forces Field Marshal Asim Munir has said that no one except the state can give an order when it comes to fatwa or jihad. According to Kashmir Media Service, Field Marshal Asim Munir, while addressing the National Ulema Mashai Conference in Islamabad, said he saw and felt the help of Allah Almighty when it comes to Operation Bunyanul Marsoos. He underscored that among 57 Islamic nations, Allah Almighty has granted Pakistan the distinct honor of being the custodian of the Haram Sharif and a sacred responsibility reflecting the nation's spiritual and strategic significance in the Muslim world. Field Marshal Munir stated that Pakistan, as the Muhafiz-e-Haram Sharifan, carries a unique national honor. He credited sincere military diplomacy and strong defense ties with Saudi Arabia for achieving this recognition. Drawing a parallel, he mentioned that Riyasat-e-Madina and Pakistan share deep ideological foundation, both rooted in the Kalma Taiba, with divine guidance entrusting Pakistan with the protection of the Haram. He noted that Pakistan's global stature has further strengthened, particularly after Operation Bunyanul Marsoos, showcasing the nation's resolve and military capability against India, while reaffirming Pakistan's commitment to protecting the holy sites. Field Marshal Asim Munir further state that civilians and children, they are being targeted through terrorism with the support of the Afghan Taliban. He said 70% of the formation of Fitna al-Khawarij that come from Afghanistan are Afghans, and Afghanistan will have to choose between Fitna al-Khawarij and Pakistan.